I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prudy. If you are new here, hi, thanks for tuning in today. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will get notified. Today's video I'm going to be doing a Bantu knot, so I'll be using this expression braiding hair for the process. My hair has been washed and conditioned prior to this video, so I'll just go ahead to start sectioning my hair. The key to this hairstyle is to make your parts to be as neat as possible. So I am going in for the triangle pattern. So I want the pattern to be as neat as possible, because when your Bantu knot is neat, then it is so juicy. On this channel, I always do less complicated hairstyles. So most of the time I come here just to introduce the video and to point out the areas I know it might be complicated for my viewers to understand. And then I go ahead with the tutorials. So if there's anything you don't understand in this video, please always comment in the comment section down and I'll be happy to reply your comments. So to make my pattern so neat, I'm going in with the Shine and Jam gel to apply on the hair. Then I'll be using a toothbrush to brush this hair to let it lay as smooth as possible. So you just keep watching. If there's anything I need to explain, I will come in time and again to explain. For now, just enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and even turn on your notification bell like it said, so that each time I upload a video, you will get notified.